And now, for those celebrating their birthdays today, this one is for you.
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Famous people celebrating their birthdays today. Oh, you will find out, no? Di mo alam ka-birthday mo pala yung idol mo, di ba? Ayan, this is being brought to you this time by Royal Duty Free Shops. Mark your calendars. Super Savings Weekend is back. The payday treat you've been waiting for is happening January 30 to February 1, 2026. Get ready to shop your favorites and enjoy these exclusive perks up to 20% off on selected items, times 2 points for RPC members with a minimum spend of 5,000 pesos. Okay? So don't miss out on the ultimate payday shopping spree. See you at Royal. Okay? Royal Duty Free. 252-3258 for inquiries. Visit their official Facebook page and visit their official website then, www.royalsubic.com, where the catalog is always posted. All right, so here are the famous people, celebrities and the like, celebrating their birthdays today. Happy birthday to Khalil Ramos, Filipino singer and actor, right? You guys know him? Yeah. Yung mga young generation, kilala to syempre. Khalil Ramos, January 22, 1996. And eto, yung ibang younger generation, eto, hindi naman na to kilala. Pero he was really, really popular for his antics, for his comedic acts. Napaka nakakatawa na tao nito. Promise. Rene Requestas. Up to now, buhay pa sa YouTube yung mga ano niya, yung mga antics niya, yung mga movies na pinost dahil nakakatawa, yung mga ganon. January 22, 1957, the year he was born, si Rene Requestas from Tondo, Manila. Ayan, okay. Sayang to he passed away early. Marami pa sanang gagawin to nakakatawang movie, no? Nagkasakit siya kasi, alam mo, nung kabataan niya, he grew up, buong buhay niya, he grew up poor. Buong buhay niya, he's poor. Ano daw, ano ba yung nabalitaan ko noon? Kaya nagkasakit is sa mga rason, hindi nakakakain ng tama. Kaya ang payat-payat niya, laging gutom. So, nung nagka-pera na siya, naging artista na, yumaman na. Kasi dati nung mahirap siya, laging ano lang tuyo, tsaka mga 10 pisong tuyo, tsaka kanin, mga ganun lang lagi ulam, no? So, nung nagka-pera na, yumaman na, mga kanin, tsaka 100 pisong tuyo na. Nag-improve. Sayang. Idol. Si Rene Requestas. Yan, Filipino actor TJ Trinidad and actor RJ Padilla. Yan, okay. Sino pa? Who else do we gotta greet? Actress uli from Starstruck to, if I remember it right. Rich Asuncion. Okay. She was born January 22, 1989. Okay. Also, happy birthday to... Happy birthday to you. Who else do we gotta greet? Eto pa, eto, idol din to, si Steve Perry. He turns 77 today. He is known as The Voice. Yun ang tawag sa kanya. Alam niyo kung bakit The Voice? Ang ganda-ganda ng boses, syempre. Alam nga magaling sumayaw, tapos ang tawag sa'yo, The Voice. Magaling kumanta. Siya lang naman yung lead vocalist ng Journey, the original one. Yan. Naalala niyo ba? So now I come to you. Tuyo. Sabi ko lang tuyo kanina, no? Madalas ulam ni Rene Requestas. Happy birthday din kay, si Steve Perry. By the way, he turned 77 today. Yan. Yung pumalit sa kanya, syempre, kababayan natin, si Arnel Pineda, no? Isa sa mga, marami nang pumalit na lead vocalist, kaya lang nothing matches Steve Perry pa rin talaga. Pero, yeah, okay? Alright. Alright. And, eto pa. Famous birthday pa after ni Steve Perry, si movie actor John Hurt, yan, tsaka si who else do we gotta greet? Linda Blair. Yan, si Linda Blair sumikat yan doon sa yung umiikot-ikot yung ulo, yung Exorcist ba yun? The Exorcist. Nung bata ako, trinay din ako yung Exorcist ng tatay ko Alam mo, pag may sakit ka noon, ang tagagamot sa'yo, albularyo agad-agad, hindi doktor nung panahon na yun nung mga unang panahon, di ba? Sabi sa akin ng albularyo, pinisil yung kamay ko, ang sakit Sabi ko, umalis ka sa katawan niya! Ngayon, para matapos yun, nagdrama ako, alam ko ang gagawin ko. Oo, alis ako sa katawan niya! Lilipat ako sa kanya! Tinuro ko yung tatay ko, para yung tatay ko naman yung parusahan. Ayan. Okay, so those are the celebrities and the like celebrating the birthdays today. And lastly, we got one more person to greet. Ayan, si Ate Juno. Ayan, Juno Julian. Juno Flor Julian, happy birthday sa'yo, Ate Juno Flor Julian. Ayan. Lumpiang Shanghai lang, okay na? May handaan ba ngayon? Sa baba? Bababa ako. Happy birthday, Ate Juno Flor Julian. May you have many, many, many more birthdays to come from your entire Julian family. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. O yung isa pa, may isa pa akong babatiin pa pala. Greet na lang. Hindi ko babatiin. Baka masarapan masyado. Tinigil ko po yung pambabati. Sabi ko, greet na lang. Si Kuya Perdi Marcelo, si DJ Lolo Nyo. Naalala niyo si DJ Lolo Nyo? Alam niyo, napakagaling sumayaw nitong maman to eh. He works for the SBMA. He's the SBMA's lone. Lone, nag-iisa. Oh. Hindi naman lonely. Lone lang, hindi lonely. Lone graphic artist ng SBMA. Yan. Ang kanyang popular internet name, sikat sa internet to eh, DJ Lolo Nyo. Dahil magaling sumayaw. Nagpo-post siya ng mga dance videos along with his apo, yung mga apo niya, kasama niya. Sa post niya, sumikat eh, no? Ang daming naging views. Oh, sumisweldo ka na ba sa Facebook? Sa YouTube, sa TikTok? Oh, sumisweldo ka na ba? Wala to naman. He used to be with the Solid Gold Dancers. Ayun, alam nyo na ha. Ang Solid Gold Dancers, yan yung in-house dancer dati ni Alma Moreno, the show Loveliness. Yeah! Kaya idol ko rin yan sa pagsasayaw. Yours truly used to dance din. I'm with the Sneakers Dancers, pero those days are gone. Matigas na buto. Buto ha, bones, matigas na. Matigas na buto ko. Pero si DJ Lolo nyo, ang galing pa rin, ano? No? He's older than me. Pero, hindi pa matigas ang buto. Malambot pa, o lelembot-lembot. Yung next na iinumin nga niyan, in secret, lalagyan ko ng Viagra. Tingnan natin kung titigas yung buto. Happy birthday, Kuya Perdi. I love you. Mwah! Okay. So there you have it. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You're sharing your birthdays with them. All of you, January 22. Birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You 8:34 in the evening. We gotta take the quick quick bottom of the hour break. We will be back with more news and updates from in and around the city. That's coming up, so please do stick around. We will be right back.
Radio Bandera